Well, welcome back, pluckers. I've Sort Things again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is the classic song from the Shadows, Guitar Tango, okay, which I did a playthrough for a few days ago. Hopefully you will have seen that. And I'll be trying to teach you the rhythm and the lead parts to that song, the way I played it, okay. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, I'm doing it in the same key as the original version from the Shadows, with the key of D, okay. So let's get to it. So it starts off with the intro is basically three chords, F sharp major, G major and A major. Now different ways of playing it. You could play it all with bar chords, okay, so 2nd fret major shape bar chord, 3rd fret major shape bar chord, 5th fret major shape bar chord, okay, so it's now it's like a slow deliberate strum, yeah. So that's down, up, down, up, down at the end there, okay? So that's doing it with bar chords. You don't need to do it with bar chords. You could do it with a straight F shape, a simple F shape chord, 2nd fret, 3rd fret and 5th fret, right? Okay, so that's an easier way maybe for some people who are doing it. The halfway house is to play like a simple F shape, but move this 3rd finger up to the 5th string, 4th fret, and your pinky takes over on the D string and the 4th string, 4th fret for the F sharp, okay, and you can play 5 downwards then. It gives you a little bit more bass content in the chord, and then up to a G, keeping the same shape, 3rd fret, and then to the 5th fret, okay, so okay, got it. So that's your intro for the rhythm side of it. Now the lead part, all I did for the lead part for that was just to accentuate the root note of the chord. 4th fret, 5th fret and 7th fret on the 4th string, the D string. So it's 4, 5, 7, finishing on the 4, okay? Okay, that's all I did for my version for that. Okay, then we work our way into the verse section, and there's 2 verses, one after the other. They play exactly the same. Okay, now the chords are a D. If you want to play a simpler version with open type chords, mostly the next chord is an A, and then it goes to a G, and then to the F sharp that we played on the intro. Okay, so that's the rhythm, right? Now obviously you could play it with bar chords, the D chord, you could play open, and then the A chord, 5th fret bar chord, to a G chord, bar chord, and then the F sharp. So whichever, mix and match, do it whichever way you want, okay? The thing to do on the rhythm on this verse bit, each chord change starts with this sort of da 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 da. It's like down up down, so it accentuates that that bit, sorry. Da 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 da. And we repeat. Okay, so that's your rhythm, basic rhythm for the verse section, which we repeat twice. Okay, then we go the lead bit for it. Right, I'll break this into phrases. Okay, first phrase. Right, I'm on the third string, G string, 7th fret, and it's like 3 hits, down, up, down, okay, with a pick. Da, da, da. Then you do another one, you hit a single again, so the 4th time on that. Then we go to the 2nd string, 7th fret, 2 hits on the 5th fret of the 2nd string, and then back to the 7th on the 3rd for a single, okay? Right, the second phrase is very similar. You do that da 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 on the 7th on the 3rd again, 7th on the 2nd, but you only hit once this time on the 5th fret of the 2nd. Then we go to the 7th on the 3rd, and then to the 6th on the 3rd. Okay, so second phrase. So the two together so far. Right, third phrase. So that's a little triple on the 6th fret of the 3rd, and then another one, 5th fret of the 2nd, and then we go to the 7th on the 3rd, to the 6th on the 3rd, to the 4th on the 3rd. So that's so far right from the beginning. Final phrase. Right, so it's triples on the 4th fret of the 3rd twice, 2nd on the 3rd, and you can either do it with an open 3rd to the 4th on the 4th, or you can go up to the when you play that, you can do it as the way I tend to do it myself is I go to the 5th on the 4th and then the 4th on the 4th on that last 2 notes, whichever is easier for you. Open 3rd instead of that one, both the same note, okay? It's just a way I tend to play it myself, so it's I tend to do that, but you could do open 3rd, 4th on the 4th. So the whole verse, okay? Okay? And that's your verse, and then you just repeat the whole thing again, okay? So there you have the intro and the verse sections, okay? At that point I'll leave it, keep it fairly short and sweet so you don't have too much going on to blow your mind on. And I'll come back with part 2 and we'll move on to more parts in the song, okay? Thanks for watching and listening, hope that you enjoyed that a little bit, and come back for the second part. Bye for now.